So it works like that. You probably didn't unwrap it. That's the situation. So you need to select your object, and let's say your object, you see right here, it's a Y. So we're going to do a UV right here, planar, options, and we're going to select the Y axis right here. And then if I apply that to those faces, so I need to select the Y faces, that's right there. So all those 5 faces are in the Y-axis, and then I just apply that to it. Okay. Now, if I go and have that, let me to put the shaker into it. All right. You see now that looks good where I did, and the others looks weird. It don't work. Alright, so what you have to do then is do the others. So let's say right here you select that face, and that face. This is also a Y. So you go to UV, planar, make sure you're in Y, and you apply. As you can see, look, it looks great now, much better. Okay. Now you select the side one right here. Okay, and you know, and it's just an X. So right here you select X, apply. See, much better. And that one, for example, an X also. Now they're not all the same, and the reason we put a checker is because we know it's square and we can see it visually. So if we select our object right here, go to the UVs right here, and UV editor. It'll take a little bit of time. Right here, we can see all the different UVs and how they need to be. So for example, if you reselect the top one, right here, well, first, they're much too big. They're overlapping the others. We can't have that. So we select that, and we do UVs on it. Alright. So right here, we can do that, and we can select let's see, they moved it. Hold on a second. There is a panel that opens with the UV editor, and this is a lot easier. And then you can select things that have been unwrapped or not. Alright, and that works better. Like right here. See, that's selected some of it. So you have different level of stuff. Right here, you can select and say that's the UV selection, and you can move it out for now. Okay, and then if you do the other one, that's the other UV selection. Move it out for now, and that one, move it out for now. And same with the last one, you move it out. Now you need to fit all of them without overlapping right here in a 0 to 1. Okay, so you basically need to scale. So you select this one, you say, okay, this is not square first of all. So you take the selecting tool, and you're gonna scale it in one way. You see, to regain pretty much the shape of the poly itself, right here. I should work that square, so we can move that on the side for now. That's done. We select this one under, and we do the same thing. Alright, so right here until we have a similar checker right here, and then we move it out, and you see that's very similar. We can see that right there. Okay, so that works pretty good. And then we're gonna do the same thing for both of those. So obviously this is the top, so maybe we'll rotate it first. Actually, we'll rotate it after. And right here, right there, and we're gonna regain right here. Okay, we'll do that one the same way. And when we have them all, then we select, we couldn't fit all those, a little big, so we select them all, and we scale them a little bit down, all of them. Alright. Now we can select one and move it right here. Make sure you have 6 clicked on your keyboard to show properly everything. Alright, and it's still a little big, so scale it down even more. Right here and right there. And then we grab that one right here. Okay, so that's how you do it. And then when you're done with that properly, you just export your image, alright, right here as a UV snapshot to Photoshop if you want to, alright, in 2D, or you just simply export the mesh as an OBJ, alright, by going to right here, export selection. After you select it, and you just select OBJ right here in your selection. So you go right here and you select OBJ right there, give it a name, and you can open that OBJ map into Photoshop and paint in 3D like the lecture I showed you. I hope this helped. Okay, take it easy.